Hello, my name is Toro Gamer, but you can call me Toro. I am like a small content creator, and here's are some reasons why I need to join the Nucleus SMP. Numero 1. Numero 2. The second reason why I need to be in the Nucleus SMP is that I'm like decent at editing. I have very funny jokes sometimes, and like a chill vibe, like an interesting vibe for everyone. And yeah, these are like the reason why I need to be in the Nucleus SMP. But I still learn editing, so hope I be improving at editing. Also, I will wanna meet like those small content creators on Nucleus SMP to help me make more content. And yeah, see you soon, Nucleus SMP. Bye bye.